Two very potent exercises. If you do them regularly, you'll be able to manifest your desires very quickly. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Manifesting with Shiv Amod. On this channel, we talk everything about law of assumption and practical ways to implement it in your daily life. Also, I have made few videos related to thought, mindset and manifestation. If you would like to watch them, I'll link them in the description box below. Now, let's get into today's video. Exercise number 1. Sit comfortably and start entertaining all the negative moments in your life. Start feeling them in your body for a while. You can do it for a few seconds or minutes depending on your situation. Now, once you see the feeling has dissipated from your body, take few deep breaths. And now start imagining the positives in your life. Start seeing the things which are good in your life. Maybe it is a restaurant that you like to go, the food you like to have. Start imagining the feeling of having that food right now. If you love coffee, have the sip in your mouth, swirl it, have the feeling in your body. Submerge yourself in that feeling. Entertain those thoughts again and again. And with that feeling, start affirming your affirmations. For example, if you are manifesting money, start telling yourself, I am so rich. I'm always able to manifest money effortlessly. Whatever your affirmations are, with that feeling, start entertaining those affirmations. With that good feeling and you affirming your affirmation, start popping up few images in your mind. You having fun with the money, you traveling wherever you want to travel. And as you see it with those images and that good feeling, entertain those thoughts again and again. Do this exercise for 21 days, twice a day, once in the morning and once at night, because at that time our subconscious mind is very receptive. And see the magic happen. You'll be able to manifest your desires very quickly. Just practice it with consistency. Let's discuss exercise number 2, which is again very simple. In this exercise, you have to imagine yourself getting a compliment from someone. Start visualizing how would you feel when you get a compliment from someone. How will you say thank you when someone would say you are looking gorgeous. Have that feeling in your mind's eye. See how you feel it. This is a very simple exercise. See, soon you'll see you are getting tons and tons of compliments. Remember, it is not about receiving compliments, but about consciously manifesting your desires. When you are able to manifest these small desires consciously and regularly, this really builds your faith in the law and in your higher self, and it really helps you to manifest your bigger desires effortlessly. Practice it regularly. Now, if you like this video, please hit the like button, share your views in the comment box below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one.